Welcome back to our channel, boys and girls. It's me, Vichy Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And this video is on banking, and it's on Royal Bank of Canada. If you guys do not know Royal Bank of Canada, it's basically like a multinational financial service company and like the largest bank in Canada by market capitalization. So basically, if you guys have an account in this bank, then you guys are gonna get like major interest rate and other stuff. If you guys want to know more about this, you guys can visit the official website of Royal Bank of Canada. Its website is rbcroyalbank.com. All right, so you can go to this website to know more about it. Let's get into the video on how you guys can sign up into Royal Bank of Canada. All right, so it's pretty simple, so follow the step, but do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's get into the video, shall we? So you just want to search for Royal Bank of Canada on your search engine. After you search for it, you just want to click on where it says online banking. Once you click on online banking, it's going to take you to its official website over here. Once you're over here, you just want to click on sign in over here. Once you click on sign in, it's going to take you to the sign in page. Now once you're over here, basically what you want to do is you want to enter your card number over here. After entering your card number, you just want to enter your passport over here. After you do that, you just want to click on sign in, and once you do that, basically you're good to go. You should be able to log in into Royal Bank of Canada account, online banking, and another one. All right, so yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys were able to understand the video on how you guys can log in into the Royal Bank of Canada's online banking server. So if you guys did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And it's me, Vichy Kevin, signing out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.